Hi there, here is the quiz file prepared for the first 5 questions with an explanation. Hope this helps the students to get prepared for the IGCSE exams.
The executable file used in this video can be downloaded from the provided URL in the description. Open the X file directly from the zip folder.
The keywords or phrases in the first question are provides, raw material and tissue repair. This question is asking how we can provide, which means how we can give. So the answer for this is nutrition, as nutrition provides the raw materials such as protein for the tissue repair. We should know why other options are not correct for this question. Let us see them one by one. The option excretion is removing the waste. It will not provide the raw materials for tissue repair. The option growth is not correct, as it will not provide the raw material for tissue repair. In other words, the growth consumes the raw material. The option of respiration is wrong, as it gives energy by oxidizing the raw material. It also does not provide the raw material for tissue repair.
The keywords or phrases in the second question are a group of individuals, reproduction and fertile offspring. This question is asking how a fertile offspring can be reproduced. So the answer for this is a species, as the group members of the same kind in the species produce fertile offspring. We should know why other options are not correct for this question. Let us see them one by one. The option a genus is wrong, as we know donkey and horse produce mule, which is not fertile. The option kingdom is wrong because it has many species and genus types. The option of an organ system is wrong. An organ system is present within one individual's body.
The keywords or phrases in the third question are plant roots, root hair cells versus sperm cells. This question is asking the difference between plant cells and animal cells. The cell membrane present in both animal and plant cells. The chloroplast is not present in both root hair cells and sperm cell. The cytoplasm is present in both cells. So the correct answer is the cell wall, which is present only in root hair cells, not in sperm cells.
The keywords or phrases in the fourth question are legs, hair and tail. This question is asking we can identify an organism using the given keywords. The hair is present only in mammals. The amphibians, birds and reptiles are not having hair. Hence the correct option for this question is mammals.
The keywords or phrases in the fifth question are specialized structures in given 4 cells. This question is asking which structures are useful for movement. The sperm cell has a tail which helps it to move, so whatever the option having 4 is probably the answer. The ciliated cells have cilia which also help the movement. The nerve cell and root cortex cell will not move, hence we will not consider them as the answer. So the answer to this question is 1 and 4 as units.
Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.